Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Georgette with another video and welcome back. Are you new to me, guys? If you are new to me, welcome to my channel. And a little bit about my channel is that I do everything that I possibly can to inspire you and to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just transform your life like I have done mine. I certainly have done that. And so please do not subscribe until the end. Smash the subscribe and please like, please share. YouTube algorithm loves interaction. They will show my videos to a lot more people, and that's the end goal, that a lot of people's lives be transformed, that they become motivated and they're inspired by my videos. So drop a comment in the box as well when you are done watching and subscribing. So guys, today's a really quick video. Most certain this is going to be a quick one because I just want to give you this short thing that also my mentor was talking about the other night as he went live and I hopped on. So this I'm piggybacking on if you watched my last video. And when my mentor came on, I was working and I went on and he spoke about a variety of stuff. And so I want to give you some more of those nuggets that he gave me because I take notes, right? And what he was talking about, he said that made so much sense, that there are two types of people in this world. One is an entertainer. The other one is the entertainee. Okay? Like right now, you're on YouTube and you're watching my videos. You are being entertained. You are the entertainee. I am the entertainer. The very same thing with the big basketball games, the golfing with Tiger Woods, basketball with LeBron James. I mean tennis with the sister's name, my girl Serena. Those and all the games that lots of people likes to watch. The football. The only time I watch football is just to be a part is for Super Bowl. I have a girlfriend, she loves football. When it's football season, she's up late every night watching. I'm like, I really don't get it, but I'm at the Super Bowl, watching the Super Bowl when there's Super Bowl. You know, I'm at the lounge or wherever the Super Bowl party my friends are having. You know, I had some good times watching Super Bowl. But those are the two types of people, and he broke it down, and I'm going to break it down for you. So the entertainer, guys, the entertainer is paid, and the entertainee is not. So which one do you prefer to be? I prefer to always be the entertainer. The entertainer brings value to you, because if it wasn't value, you would not be watching it. You would not be listening to it. It's like paying. It's like when you pay to go to the movie theater. You are paying the entertainer. You are going to the movie theater to be entertained. And so you are paying to go to the movie theater to watch a movie with Denzel Washington and all. And these guys are paid the big bucks. And so that's how he broke it down. He said that they're entertainers and that they're entertainee. However, entertainee is not known. The entertainee is like invisible because you are behind the scenes watching, you're shouting, let's go LeBron James, let's go Tiger Woods. All right? But these guys are being paid the big bucks. And however, the entertainee is silent like, and no one knows you. And so you're not really being affected by, you know how the entertainers, which are the public figure, which are the movie stars or the sports, the athletes. And these people take a lot of heat. They are criticized. They are mocked. Their every movement is watched and captioned, and it's on TV. It's on all of those stations. If you see them out with their wives or their girlfriends, who they're dating, all of everything about them is exposed. And so to be the entertainer, you're sort of out there to be photographed, to be written up about all sorts of lies and all of that. And so not everyone is cut out to be the entertainer. But like my mentor is saying, you're sitting back watching these people make a ton of money when you yourself can do the very same. Do you want to continue to be the entertainee? Or do you want to now be an entertainer? You know, YouTube is powerful here. And I could not understand every time when I just joined my group, my millionaire group, mentorship. And my mentor always says, you guys must do a video. You guys must create a YouTube channel and produce a video every day. That is building your brand. That is getting your name out there. Yes, that is getting your name out there and your face. People are hearing your story. People are watching you as you grow. I think I have over 200 videos now. And so people can go way back and follow my journey and my story. Yeah. And I couldn't understand. He kept saying it because when I first started my YouTube channel, I used to do 3 videos per week. I think I started out doing 2 videos a week. And then I upped the ante and I did 3 videos. And then I challenged myself most of about the last 6 or 7 months. I have been doing a video every day. And very, very shortly, my YouTube channel will be monetized. That is being worked on right now, you know, to bring a video each day for you guys to be entertained and to watch. And as the entertainer, I will be gaining an income. This is another stream of income for me. And so that's one of the things he says. How long are you going to be an entertainee? How long are you going to sit back and watch the games? Watch the basketball games, watch the football, watch a YouTube channel, watch where all the platforms are, TikTok, this, that, because I think people are even being paid on TikTok. I'm not sure how those platforms work. How long are you going to sit back and be an entertainee instead of starting to create something for yourself and to be an entertainer? YouTube is a stream of income. And I will advise any person who thinks that they don't have a talent or they can't do anything. Let me tell you something. You can create. Oh my gosh. I tell people that you can do so many things. If you have a small child, you create a channel just for kids. And you just 5 minutes a day. Just record your child doing the darndest things and post it. You will be surprised. And just name your channel like Mommy and Me or My Baby and just get creative and put it out there for like other parents, you know. Tag other parents and make it be a kid. You know, it's so much. If you play the piano, just record yourself playing the piano. Stop being an entertainee and become the entertainer. And YouTube, this platform, is powerful because these videos I bring every day will, at some point, I'll be sitting back in Hawaii drinking mimosa or whatever it is, mojito, like my mentor said, and I'll be watching my checks coming in. I have over 200 videos, guys. And so those are the 2 types of people in this world. And my mentor broke it down for me, and now I'm sharing it with you. Are you an entertainer or are you an entertainee? Is the entertainee being paid? Is the entertainee giving value and helping others? Not really. The entertainee is absorbing from the entertainers. And so decide which of the two you would prefer to be. I know I prefer to be the entertainer, always. And so, guys, that's all I have to share with you. I hope I gave you some value, guys. I really, really do hope that you gained some value from what I gave you just now. And so if you haven't subscribed, I think this is the perfect time to subscribe. What do you say? And guess what, guys? 5 hours away from the birthday, January 13th. In a couple of hours, the girl will be celebrating. Yes, yes, yes. And so I'm going to have an amazing day. I'm already having an amazing day. I'm manifesting. Listen, I just manifested. I will talk to you guys about that manifestation on another video. And so God is good all the time. It's your girl, Georgette. Grab your free gift. I'm going to leave you a free gift below. Grab your free gift always. And smash the subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on. In the comment box below, are you an entertainer or are you an entertainee? Please leave that comment in the box below. I love you so much. I send you love and light. Mwah. Bye-bye. Wish me happy birthday tomorrow.